This is Amy from GreenthinPC Technology. We also have a larger company name, Shenzhen Yiyun Electronic Limited Company, which registered our Alibaba store. And our trademark is JIERUICC. We are professional manufacturer for mini PC, industrial grade PC, industrial panel PC, and thin client products. We are located in Shenzhen, China, which was a company to productionize our SMT plug-in, assembling, aging, QC, packing. With more than 10 years rich experience in this field, we focused on product quality and practicability. Products are widely used in office working, factory automation, KIOSK, bank ATM machine, transportation, communication industry, and medical tier. Here is our testing product line. All products will be thoroughly inspected before sending to aging line. We will check that the product I.O. ports, RAM, SSD, and OS compatibility. And also we will check that the case appearance. This is our aging product line. All motherboard will be aging at least 24 hours before assembly. After assembly with case, RAM, SSD, we will put all finished product here for aging at least 8 hours before packing. And we can check that we will run some soft testing software to let CPU 100% working to see whether it can work overload. With professional technology, top service, fast response, on-time shipping, we pay more attention to every customer's request and obtain many customers from all over the world. Weekly cooperation is our final goal. If you have any inquiries about our products, welcome to contact us, and also welcome to visit our factory. GreenthinPC Technology always here for you.